Hello, welcome back for lesson number 49. I put a title called Countersink. Yes, you can see there's no countersink on the tab hole. Today we're going to show you how to create a countersink on a tab hole without having the part design it. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We have drilled the hole. We will continue with countersink today and tapping in the later time. So we select countersink, create, holes, and OK. Beware that we need to select the input type as circle. Click OK. Update the countersink diameter as well as the countersink angle. Click OK. Manage. Update the tool name as well as the tool number. Click OK. Yes, we need to input the RPM and feed rate. Don't forget the frame as well, G54. Change the color, calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame to G54. You can see the Z is minus 2.5, which is correct. Click OK. Click OK again. Let us do a solid verify. Yep. You can see that there's a cut into it after we set the analysis into visual, which is correct. Because the part do not have a chamfer, we do a countersink on it, so we will cut into the finished material. Save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click the previous operation, collapse it, drill, countersink, create, hole, OK, change to circle, pick this one and this one, click OK, update the countersink diameter, countersink angle, click OK, manage. Yes, we're gonna use this tool, D20, countersink, update the tool number, 11, OK. No, we can set the frame, G54, RPM is 250, 20, nothing changed here. Change the color, calculate, looks good. Let us verify, set the frame, yes, Z minus 2.5, click OK, OK. Let us perform a solid verify, slow down, OK. Looks good. Analysis, visual, zoom in. You can see that they cut into it, which is correct on the both holes. OK, close it, we save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue the tapping at the next lesson. Bye bye.